everybody? I'm Dan with the Wrench. We're in the Prelude and is not idle surging just yet. Give it a moment. Now, we are setting the time and then we're about to take off to a car meet. This is the first time this car's been to a meet with me, so pretty freaking cool. And yeah, just I really wish that dude was freaking running, but Tranny's like right there. Anyways, see you guys soon. That idle surge fucking sucks. Well, let's go see what we got. Looks like there's some pretty cool shit. Ready to party.
Continue down the line.
Oh yeah. Yeah, let's do it. Big. Is that Millennium Jade? I don't know. Sick. Of course. Hell yeah. thought the Prelude was bad. What the fuck? That's pretty cool. For being, you know, I actually beat a, well, I don't know, but I don't know. Yeah, it was fun. Alright, so, yeah. For being rebuilt by fucking Dan with the wrench, actually did pretty well. Up top, there was a tiny bit of smoke, but nothing too crazy, you know. 90s Honda stuff, you know. So yeah, I mean, some bumps were kind of hard. Hopefully, I actually can try and stiffen the suspension right now, and let's see how that goes. All right. Better cool down for a sec. Let's see. Oh, is it walking the tiniest bit? So I'm gonna double check the cam plates, and we'll see. You know, if they're loose, we'll retorque them. Whatever. All right. So let's see. Oh, they're not adjustable. All right. Well, yeah. We gotta sell this thing. We gotta paint it, we gotta sell it. Shit. You're getting it. This fucking car. Alright, well, that was actually quite a bit of fun. Of course, really made me wish Jack Black was, you know, running, had a tranny, this moflo, right there. It's not quite. So, we're going to get to that tomorrow, but had a great time in the Prelude. So, if you guys liked it, give a like, really appreciate it. Subscribe, comment, subscribe right on the old Prelude. And we'll be seeing you guys soon. Later.